Here the question is the line segment joining the points A 4, minus 5 and B 4, 5 is divided by the point P such that AP is to AB is equal to 2 is to 5. Find the coordinates of P. Here 2 points A and B. A is 4, minus 5 and B is 4, 5 and here is P. Here given that AP is to AB is equal to 2 is to 5. Here it is given AB, that is the total length, that is AP by AB is equal to 2 by 5, that is given. Here it is given AP by AB. So we need to reciprocate this, that is AB by AP is equal to 5 by 2. Subtract 1 from both the sides, we will get AB by AP minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1. Solving this, we will get PB by AP is equal to 3 by 2. This is the ratio we need. AB, that is 4, minus 5 and B is 4, 5. Now here is P, AP is 2 and PB is 3. Now using the midpoint formula, we need to find the coordinates of P. For that, coordinates of P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. M is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So we will find the coordinates. That's equal to 2 into x2 is 4 plus n is 3, 3 into 4 whole divided by m plus n, that is 5, comma m by 2. M by 2 is m is 2, 2 into 5 plus 3 into minus 5, the whole divided by 5. 8 plus 12 divided by 5, comma 10 minus 15 divided by 5. That's equal to 20 divided by 5, comma 5 divided by minus 5 divided by 5. That is 4, minus 1. These are the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P is equal to 4, minus 1. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for Class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in Maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for Class 10 and 12